One of the most glorious and brutal T20 international hundreds you will ever have the pleasure of.
Phil Salt played an outstanding innings, scoring an unbeaten 103 of just 54 balls, leading England to a convincing 8-wicket victory. His century was characterized by aggressive yet well-placed shots, including 22 runs in 1 over of Shamar Joseph. Salt reached his half-century in just 25 balls and continued to push England ahead with a range of powerful and precise shots. This was his third T20I 100, all scored in the Caribbean against West Indies, showcasing his affinity of playing in these conditions. His partnership with Bethell was crucial, as the two added an unbroken 107 runs. Saqib Mahmood recorded career-best figure of 4 for 34 runs, which included pivotal wickets during the power play. He dismissed Brendan King early, followed by back-to-back strikes to remove Evan Lewis and Shimron Hetmyer. His discipline and sharp bowling put the West Indies on the back foot right from the start. Bethell played a mature knock of 58 runs off 36 balls. His innings included well-timed boundaries and an elegant 6-over cover in the penultimate over. Buttler played a key role in England's successful chase with a powerful 83 of 45 balls. His innings featured 8 fours and 6 sixes, showing his aggressive and strategic batting. Although Buttler started slowly, scoring just 3 runs off his first 10 balls, he exploded into action by hitting consecutive boundaries and powerful sixes. This innings marked his 26th score of 50 or more in T20 internationals and showcased his leadership and experience as England took a 2-0 lead in the series. His partnership with Bill Jacks was pivotal, adding 129 runs from 72 balls, despite both players falling in the same over, bowled by Romario Shepherd. Mahmood continued his excellent form in the power play, taking 2 crucial wickets early and applying pressure on West Indies. He dismissed Brendan King with a leading edge to mid-off and later trapped Roston Chase LBW. Mahmood's power play wicket-taking ability has been a significant asset for England throughout the series. Liam Livingstone played an important role with both ball and the bat. He took 2 for 16 runs, including the wicket of Nicholas Pooran. Livingstone's tidy bowling helped England maintain control in the middle overs. With the bat, Livingstone ensured there were no late surprise, striking 4 boundaries in just 11 balls and finishing the match with a decisive 6. England secured a challenging 3-wicket win over West Indies to take an unassailable 3-0 lead in 5-match T20I series. Despite a modest target of 146 runs, England had to overcome pressure situations, making this victory the toughest of the series so far. Butler's correct toss call played a role as England chose to chase and successfully did so. Saqib Mahmood once again shone in the power play, taking 3 for 17 and pushing West Indies 37 for 5. Mahmood's consistency in the power play has been significant, securing 8 wickets across the series so far. Jamie Overton made a crucial contribution with figures of 3 for 20. His 3 dismissals disrupted the West Indies' rebuilding phase just as Powell and Shepherd were bringing some stability. Sam Curran's calm and effective 41 of 26 balls helped steady England innings at a critical juncture. Arriving when England was 37 for 3, Curran anchored the chase with intelligent, composed batting, included a mix of boundaries and well-timed singles, demonstrating his growing role as a dependable batter. Powell once again proved to be the linchpin of West Indies batting, scoring a resilient 54 and maintaining his aggressive approach despite early collapses. His 850-plus score came in challenging conditions as in counter-attack against Mahmood and Archer, keeping the West Indies' hopes alive. Akeal Hussain delivered an impressive bowling performance, taking 4 for 22 and keeping the West Indies competitive during England's chase. His precise bowling brought pressure and crucial breakthroughs, including the dismissal of Liam Livingstone, who was dropped multiple times before being caught.